this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the official, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. Accept no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, trolls, or imposters who use my content and titles in their videos while wearing cat heads. And I will ask the viewers to bear with me. I was fine for 2 days, and last night, somewhere between 8 and 10 in the night, my fever came back. This swelled up, couldn't breathe, and my eyes are burning again. And I got up and almost keeled over. And I'm not going to the hospital today because they delivered my Meals on Wheels dinners. Next week, they're only going to deliver frozen food. They can't get the milk and the fruit and all that. Kathy went to the hospital today. She's got a kidney infection or something. I think it's kidney stones. She had this some months ago, and she was screaming so much from the pain that her neighbors called the police on her. So I said, get them to x-ray you, make sure you don't have a kidney stone. So I will go tomorrow. I'm having real trouble breathing. Someone said take a deep breath. As long as you can take a deep breath and hold it, you're fine. Well, I'm subject to bronchitis. And just getting one deep breath in, getting it out, it's effort enough. So I don't like being sick. All right, this is number 1 of 2. I've already opened the bag to examine it. I went out to get my food, and this was at the door. This is Burgh Unboxing. So here we have a bag. And here we have a box of Splenda. And I went and bought Safeway's version the other day. And I'm going to go to Safeway today. Because I got a coupon. I got to find it. And I got a coupon for $10 off $75. So if I can figure out what I did with it, I can use that. I don't know where I put it though. So I'll go to Safeway and get some more stuff. I think it might be over here in this mess. I did throw out a box today. I threw out some recycling stuff. But I feel horrible. All right, and I got to go feed Tiny One and Gray and Orangey and check the mail. And my SIM card for my device is supposed to come today, so we will see what happens. But boy, I was feeling great all day yesterday till about 8 o'clock at night, and then all of a sudden, phew. So, oh, by the way, Kathy gave me this stuff. I'm drinking it, but it's terrible. It's a Safeway's grape soda. Okay. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool. It is cold and windy out there right now. And stay safe. I think what I'm going to do is lie down till about 3 o'clock or so, and then go feed the cats and head up to Safeway. And then tomorrow morning I'll get up and go feed the cats and head to the ER because she says it's a bacterial infection that she got in February and almost killed her. I mean, of stronger stuff. Survive, but I don't like it. All right. Stay well, people. Stay safe. And sadly, 4,000 of our fellow Americans are no longer with us as they have succumbed to the coronavirus. So pray for them. All right, bye-bye for now. That's my eyes because they're tearing and it's itching and it's driving me crazy. Bye.